Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and in this video I'll be showing you the simplest trick to whiten the eye in Photoshop. My name is Abbas, and on this channel we do everything media, doing from graphic design, photography, videography, AI video creation, and so many more. Do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop a video like this, you don't miss it. Without any further ado, bring your seat closer. Let's go to Photoshop. In your Photoshop like this, I'll be using this beautiful Sengamanga picture. I took this picture in my studio, though I've not edited it. This is just a raw file. Just want to use it to demonstrate this. So to do this, you'll pick your lasso tool like this. So you use your lasso tool like this to select the white part only. So if you select outside like this, hold down Alt and remove the part you don't want to select. And hold Shift and add, just like this. Then hold down Shift and select like this again. Select towards the angle you want it to follow, like this. Then you move to the second eye, hold down your Shift, and then make sure your selection is perfect. Just like this, hold down Shift again and select this other part. So as you can see, I'm done selecting my image, my eyes white. So what you do when you are done selecting the white part of the eyes, what you will do is just to go here and click on this hue and saturation. Okay, now it has created a mask for you. So what you will do next is just to come here where you have mask here, click on it and change it to red, then remove the saturation. All the reds in the eye has gone, as you can see. So you can add lights to it. Okay, and then let's zoom out to see what we have. And add some lights to it. Before, after, you can see that. Then you can as well go into the yellows and reduce the saturation of the yellow as well. Let's on it. So when you reduce the saturation of the yellow and add lightness, that's what we have for the eyes. Look at the before, after, before, after. You see that? So if you feel it's too white or it's too much, you can just come here and reduce the opacity like this to around 70. 70 works for me. Zoom out and check before, after. So I hope you learned something from this. If you do, please do well to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos and follow us on all our social media platforms. I'll see you in another one. Peace out.